Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back in the history class of 6th standard. Take out your book of history and civics. Today we are going to continue with the lesson number 1, the River Valley Civilizations. In the previous class we discussed introduction and meaning of civilization. Now, before we proceed further, I would like to take feedback of the previous topic. So, my first question is, give definition of the civilization. Number second, mention any two features of a civilization. Number third, write in brief about the Neolithic period. So students, the objective of today's video is to know about the favorable features that led to the development of a civilization. So students, before we proceed further, I would like to discuss important terms related to the today's video. Number 1, astronomy, the branch of science that deals with the physical universe as a whole. Number 2, milestone, an event making an important change. Now students, let's start reading the lesson. So here we are going to read the favorable features that led to the development of a civilization. Number first point is favorable climatic conditions. So suitable climatic conditions led to the development of a civilization. So what is climate? Climate is the kind of weather that a place has over a long period of time. Severe climate change was the main driver behind the birth of civilization. Second point is inventive skill of human beings. Inventive means having the ability to create or design new things. So, the new inventions made by men led to the development of civilization. Early men discovered fire, invented wheel, introduced agriculture. These inventions of early men of Neolithic age led to the development of the River Valley civilizations. Next point is agriculture led to surplus food production. Surplus means excess. So students, as we know, early men introduced agriculture in the Neolithic period. After that, men started producing food for trade. Surplus production of food made a man to settle down at one place. So the development of agriculture gave him a kind of boost to the growth of different civilizations. Next point is invention of writing, the technique of smelting metals, and development of astronomy achieved great milestones. Students, astronomy is the branch of science that deals with the physical universe as a whole, and milestone means an event marking an important change. So students, as we already know about the people of the River Valley civilizations, invented writing in the pictographic form. They also invented the technique of smelting metals. Smelting is the process of extracting a metal from its ore. Ore is a naturally occurring solid material from which a metal can be extracted. And development of astronomy. Astronomy is the branch of science that deals with the physical universe as a whole. So students, these events marked an important change and led to the development of a civilization. Next point is, people began to interchange their ideas through language in its written and spoken forms. So students, after the invention of writing, people started exchange their ideas with the help of language in its written and spoken forms. Next point is, conditions of hardship posed new challenges and humans accomplished new achievements. Posed means raised, accomplished means attained, and achievement means a thing done successfully with effort. Hard conditions raised new challenges and humans attained new things successfully with efforts. Men lived in such a hard conditions and after that he successfully attained new things. So students, all the developments and achievements like discovery of fire, invention of wheel, introduction of agriculture, development of writing led to the development of the River Valley civilizations. Next point is Due to all these initial development and achievements, a new social and political structure emerged out. Students, initial means existing at the beginning. Structure means something arranged in a definite pattern, and emerged means move out from something and became visible. So, these achievements and developments of the early men gave rise to the new social and political structure. Next point is, with the great development of civilizations, social and economic divisions and power centers emerged out. Social structure of the River Valley civilizations was primarily based on occupations. People divided their task according to their castes. Next point is, religion began to play a dominant role in the life of the people. Dominant means most important. So, the religion began to play most important role in the life of the people. Many sculptures of gods and goddesses were found from the different river valley civilizations, which supports this fact. The last point is, surplus agricultural production created non-agricultural activities such as construction of buildings, towns, irrigation systems, and various crafts. So students, surplus production of food created non-agricultural activities. Non-agricultural activities means not to related with agriculture, like construction of buildings, towns, various crafts, and irrigation system. The river valley civilizations invested in irrigation structure in order to provide for stable water. So students, in today's class, we have read about the favorable features that led to the development of a civilization. The rest of the topics of this lesson we will read in the next class. Your homework is reread today's topic and revise the important terms.